Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by building the workbook that will track everything. Create 3 tabs: items, transactions, suppliers, and define consistent column names like SKU, description, unit cost, QTY on hand, and reorder point so formulas can reference them reliably. Once done, apply data validation for SKU and drop-down lists to prevent typos and ensure uniform entries. Make sure to format currency and numbers correctly and lock header rows. You'll save time and avoid errors as you import or manually enter initial stock counts. Next, automate the core calculations so Excel does the heavy lifting. In transactions, record every movement with date, SKU, QTY change, type inbound/outbound, and reference. Then use SUMIFs on the Items tab to compute current QTY and total value per SKU. Add helper columns for unit cost and location to support multi-site tracking. Once linked, conditional formatting highlights low stock and pivot tables summarize trends. Make sure formulas use absolute references, so copying rows. To finish, reconcile the sheet with a physical count and adjust transactions with dated corrections so your audit trail stays intact. Then build pivot reports for stock value, slow movers, and a reorder list. Schedule an automatic refresh if possible. If numbers don't match, first check data types and hidden spaces, then inspect broken references or accidental manual overrides in formula cells. If necessary, use trace precedents to find the source. Once fixed, rerun reconciliation and save a dated backup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.